Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my daily English podcast. Today's episode is incredibly special. It's all about overcoming shyness and building genuine confidence to speak English, an issue many learners deeply struggle with. If you want to speak confidently, you're definitely in the right place.
If speaking English makes you nervous, trust me, you're not alone. Millions of learners worldwide share this feeling.
Absolutely. We've both faced this challenge personally. Through extensive learning, practice, and growth, we've discovered practical and inspiring ways to overcome this fear. Today, we're diving deep into comprehensive tips, real-life stories, psychological insights, and effective long-term strategies.
This episode is packed with valuable information and motivational guidance to truly boost your speaking confidence. Let's start this empowering journey together.
Understanding confidence deeply. Confidence isn't about perfection. It's about feeling comfortable making mistakes and understanding they're essential for learning.
Exactly. True confidence comes from believing you can improve, adapt, and persist despite any initial setbacks or fears.
Extended personal story, battling shyness. I'll never forget my first experience speaking English. My mind went completely blank. My heart raced uncontrollably. It felt like every eye was judging me, and the pressure was overwhelming.
I completely understand. Even simple greetings used to terrify me. Fear of embarrassment held me back greatly.
Then one day, a mentor said to me, "Your mistakes show your courage, not your weakness." That moment shifted my perspective entirely. I began seeing every attempt as brave rather than frightening.
Recognizing that mistakes are proof of bravery truly transformed my approach. Each conversation became a victory, no matter how small.
Advanced confidence building tips. Tip number 1, incremental exposure.
Start small. Begin conversations with familiar phrases and gradually increase the complexity as you become more comfortable.
Celebrating small victories like ordering food or greeting a neighbor can significantly boost your confidence step by step. Tip number 2, daily verbal practice.
Practicing speaking daily, even by yourself, significantly reduces anxiety. Narrate your daily tasks aloud in English to make speaking feel natural.
Regular practice literally rewires your brain, removing awkwardness from speaking English.
Tip number 3, systematic self-recording. Regularly record yourself speaking. It allows you to objectively evaluate your skills, pronunciation, and fluency.
Listening back helps identify specific areas to improve and clearly shows your ongoing progress.
Tip number 4, structured conversation partners.
Engage frequently with conversation partners or language exchange groups. Regular, structured practice with others dramatically enhances your speaking abilities.
Choose supportive, patient partners who constructively correct your mistakes. Their feedback is invaluable.
Tip number 5, recognize every achievement.
Celebrate every small step forward. Acknowledge your effort regularly, creating positive reinforcement and motivation.
Even minor improvements deserve celebration. Constant validation fuels persistence and enthusiasm.
Tip number 6, cultivating a growth mindset.
Develop a growth mindset by focusing on learning opportunities within every experience. Embrace challenges as necessary for your growth.
Affirmations like, "I'm capable of improving," and "each conversation strengthens me," profoundly influence your confidence levels.
Deeper psychological insights. Let's explore common fears more deeply from a psychological perspective.
Fear of mistakes is natural, but restrictive. Cognitive reframing, viewing mistakes as essential learning tools, helps overcome this fear.
Fear of judgment often comes from excessive self-awareness. Remember, people usually focus more on your message than your errors.
Combat the fear of forgetting words by gradually expanding your vocabulary. Using simpler phrases initially keeps communication effective.
Extended reflection, appreciating your progress.
Reflect regularly on your progress. Keep a journal to document your growth, challenges, and breakthroughs.
Honoring your journey through journaling clearly shows your progress, reinforcing your self-confidence. Inspirational success stories.
Sharing success stories greatly motivates learners. We've witnessed incredible transformations from people starting with minimal confidence.
These inspiring stories prove that anyone can build confidence through persistent, thoughtful effort and strategies. Long-term mastery strategies.
To build lasting confidence, immerse yourself fully in English. Regularly engage with authentic resources like podcasts, films, books, and conversation groups.
Gradually increase complexity in your interactions. Consistent exposure makes English an integral, natural part of your daily life.
Motivational closing moment.
Remember, confidence grows gradually. Every small step contributes greatly to your ultimate goal.
Every confident speaker once